Hey, 7th grade, Mr. Hildebrand here. You're going to have to excuse me. I just popped a Jolly Rancher in my mouth mistakenly before filming this video, so if my voice sounds a little funny, it's because I really don't want to spit this thing out. Okay. But I wanted to give you a heads up. This is a video for Monday the 23rd. Monday the 23rd. So last week we were writing our Homer essays. Okay. Is Homer lying or telling the truth? You should have finished that on Friday. Okay. We had all week, we spent outlining. Thursday, Friday, we spent typing. Okay, so you had plenty of time to work on it in class. Your essay should be done and turned in to me. If it's not, that is priority number one today. That is worth 40 points. It is an assessment grade. Okay, it's worth a lot of points. So, for today, for Monday, if you're not done, just a reminder, you can go to course modules, go to week 13, lesson notes and links, or the assignments page, either one. It gives you a checklist, walks you through step by step what you need to do to get this essay done. Check it out. There's a bunch of videos on there, a bunch of pictures on there to help you finish your essay. It needs to be typed and submitted to me, either in an email, Word document, Google Doc. Okay. Get that thing sent to me. That's priority number one. So if you're not done your essay, today's the day. Okay, it's the only day of school we have this week because tomorrow's parent-teacher conferences. And then the rest of the week is fall break. So, if you didn't get your essay done yesterday, get it done today. You're typing so that you can send it to me. Otherwise, it hangs out in your gradebook as a 0 until I get it. If you are done the essay, awesome. You got it done on time. Today's going to be a little more chill for you. Okay? What we're going to be doing together is we're going to be watching this kind of goofy, corny series called Horrible Histories, Movie Greeks. Now, we've seen the Horrible Histories before, but we've seen the in-person ones. Okay, the in-person ones. They did make a cartoon version. Okay, it looks kind of like this. So we're going to be on YouTube watching in the Zoom Horrible Histories, the Movie Greeks. We'll watch this episode all about the Greeks. It is corny. It is goofy. We will answer some questions together, get some easy points to add to the gradebook, okay, especially to help some people since we just put in that big essay. That's what we're up to if we're done the essay. If you're still working on the essay, priority number one, finish the essay. Get that sent to me. Once that's done, if you're not able to watch this because you're still typing the essay, send me an email. I'll send you the link to this video. I'll send you the questions, and you can work on the video and the questions in AE on your own time, okay, for homework. Priority number one, get the essay done, get it sent to me today. And then priority number two, if you're done that, then in Zoom or in class together, we're watching this and answering the questions. All right, folks, if you get stuck or have questions, send me an email. I'd love to help you. And if I don't see you before, have a great fall break.